We'll continue. Analyst inside in the contrast western ranges, the Korean Baekdu Daegan, especially the Worak, Songri, and Sobek lines, embody the harmonious coexistence of nature, history, and human intellect. It is terrain of high density and optical efficiency, where ancient humanism, ENG, 법주사, 부석사, and historic mountain forests is seamlessly woven into the topographic. Project discourse, this axis serves as the ultimate conclusion of project. It validates the emperor's paradigms, leveraging absolute efficiency of the strategic geographical hubs, ENG, Seoul, Cheonan, Asan, and Daejeon, Busan, to command geopolitical and financial assets while remaining spiritual rooted in the pristine, restorative natural landscapes. Number 3. Operational methodology and digital architecture. The project maximizes media dissemination efficiency by utilization of high calculating digital scheduling infrastructure, transforming low intellectual capital into high engagement assets. Intellectual inputs, short 2 to 3 weeks tactical influx, high CTR and global research, long-term 1 and 2 months strategic core academic authority. And then tactical asset distribution short-term media. Number 2. 3 times per week, they achieve release sharp high impact 60-second commentaries. This utilizes sudden visual juxtaposition, such as transitioning from the heights of mountain Matterhorn to the scene Riddis Mountain Sobek, paired with incisive philosophical critique to maximize click-through rate CTR and disrupt conventional algorithm trends. Strategic core preserves long-form lectures, number 1 and 2 per month. Comprehensive university level digital lectures are achieved. And sovereignty executive mindset overdone by bigger metrics of commercial pressures, the project operates under total sovereignty autonomy. The channel serves as immutable digital mausoleum of elite wisdom of future generation. Is Alpes continuous. Number 4. Expected global impact and conclusion. This project stands entirely along the global digital landscape. No other archives possess the specific convergence of criteria required to execute the vision, world-class European academic credential. Absolute financial liberation from metropolitan constraints and the omnidirectional mobility that commands entire national topographic at will. Ultimately, this proposal outlines the blueprint for cultural revolution. It shifts the global discourse away from the anxious, rigid confinement of the modern bourgeois and toward the grand emancipated lifestyle of intellectual strategy and natural harmony. Is this Alps you are checking? Alps. This is another Italy for is another city, Milan, and you're checking my global video by you now Korean 백두대간. You now start is North Korean, North American axis Rocky Mountains, and European axis Alps and Pyrenees. But these Korean mountains I'm explained by the Korean 백두대간 spiritual accumulation, human nature harmony. I some explain for this. Very important. And is by example, North American operator and Korean mountain is now Korean mountains distribution for strategic prolongation growth impact and Korea sovereignty K mountain advantage the living intellect. The stark contrast the Korean 백두대간 you now see is 백두대간 presents a living topography. In Korea, ancient temples, scholarly lities, and vibrant history tribes right up to the mountain sunsets summits. Nature does not appeal humanity. Rather, human intellect and spiritual practice are deeply embodied and very peaks of the terrain. The stimulus integration of daily life, culture, and nature in the ultimate peerless competitive edge of Korea Mountain on the global stage. And very important, the paradigm of true manufacturing sovereignty. Why South Korea stands alone beyond the shadow of Germany. It's your refresh meditation there. This route is Korean, very calm route. It's 백두대간 route. So walking, meditation or walking route. Introduction. The force equivalence of industrial powerhouse. In the macroeconomic architecture of the modern era, nations that rely purely on the soft power or financial arbitrage of speculative capitalism are inherently unstable. True rational sovereignty is anchored in the hard reality of advanced manufacturing, the tangible capital ability to forge, steel, engineer semiconductors, and build mechanized systems within this realm. Germany and South Korea, universally recognized as the dual titans of industrial civilizations. However, a profound historical moral asymmetry separates these two nations, while Germany's industrial dominance remains forever together tethered to its dark history as defeated aggressor that brought catastrophic ruins to the global order. South Korea stands at the singular anomaly in human history. It is a nation that never inflicted harm upon another sovereignty state, yet successfully engineered miraculous ascension from the ashes of total war to achieve absolute technological sovereignty. This discourse deconstructs the structure and analytical superiority of South Korea's industrial hegemony over the German model. Number 2. Germany industrial hegemony, the legacy under the shadow of aggression. Germany's contemporary economic powerhouse stays driven by its formidable automotive and heavy machinery sectors. The Midland its manufactured sector accounts for approximately 20% of the gross domestic product (GDP). Aligned to the fact economic hegemony of the European Union, the mechanical pressure of brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Siemens represents the pinnacle of Western industrialization. The themes of total war. Yet Germany's industrial capability cannot be separated from its historical scenes. The very infrastructure of German manufacturing was utilized by the Adolf Hitler to orchestrate the most devastating conflict in human memory and the systematic genocide of millions. Consequently, Germany operates as a constrained power. This geopolitical leverage is perpetually checked by its past as a defeated nation. Germany's manufacturing might is a tool for economic stabilization, but it lacks the moral authority to lead global strategic paradigms independently. Its industrial soul remains shadowed by historical guilt and the structural limitations imposed upon post-war defeated state. Number 3. The South Korean miracle, the rise of morally pure industrial powerhouse. In stark contrast, South Korea's ascension to the effects advanced manufacturing is structurally pure and morally untainted. South Korea has never launched an aggressive war, not has it ever colonized or plundered a foreign territory. Instead, it was ultimate victim of 20th century's geopolitical tragedies, enduring brutal colonization, followed by devastating fratricidal war that completely obliterated this physical and economic landscape. Post-war ruin, 1953 in Korean War, the absolute zero of capital and infrastructure, decade of blood, sweat, and precision engineering, the trinity of hard power 2026. First, semiconductor 70% global memory monopolization, AI area oxygen. Number 2, maritime engineering, the high value equal, domination, complete overtaking of Japan. Number 3, defense industrial complex, SIPRI rank number 4, globally the arsenal of democracy. From the absolute zero, South Korea accomplished what no other nations on earth has ever achieved: the stimulations conquest of poverty, the realization of complete democratic transition, and the establishment of a strategic global hardware monopoly across 3 critical sectors. Number 1, strategic defense infrastructure, K-Defense. According to the last data from the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, South Korea's share of the global arms export market has surged to 6.0%, securing its position as the world's number 4th largest defense exporter, systematically overtaking traditional European powers like Germany. As the world in Ukraine exposed the hollowed out manufacturing capacity of Western Europe, South Korea emerges as the virtual arsenal for democratic sovereignty nations. Countries like Poland and various NATO members do not merely purchase Korean hardware, they rely on South Korea's unique capacity to deliver state-of-the-art tanks K2, self-propelled Howitzers K9 and fighter jets FA-50 at the speed and scale that no other country can match. This defense engineering born not from imperialist ambitions, but from brutal pragmatic necessity of survival against hostile neighbors. Number 2, maritime engineering and technological GEO-1, overcoming Japan. In the maritime sector, British Clarkson research data confirms the South Korean competitor dominates the global supply chain for high value added vessels, particularly large league-filled natural gas (LNG) carriers and next-generation eco-friendly ships. Through relentless R&D investment, South Korea's shipyard achieved a level of technological sophistication where a single Korean-built vessel commands more than double the economic value of generic alternative produced elsewhere. This achievement marks defensive realization 그길, completely innovating and marginalizing the once dominant maritime industries of Japan, alerting the economic geography of the East Asia without firing a single shot. Number 3, semiconductors. The structural foundation of the AI revolution in the contemporary technological landscape dominated artificial intelligence and advanced computation. South Korean memory semiconductors infrastructure, spearheaded by Samsung and SK Hynix, commands over 70% of the global market. This is not merely economic metric, it is a geopolitical choke point. The high bandwidth this memory HEM and advanced chips forged in South Korea constitute the fundamental physical material required to sustain global tech infrastructure. Should South Korea's fabrication facility cease operation, the global technological apparatus would experience immediate paralysis. Number 4, philosophical sentence. The law of equilibrium embedded in the sovereignty intellectual. When analyzing these macro-historical trajectories, the lessons for global elite becomes undeniable. Germany refers to an elite system that historically destruction of now operate within a framework defensive collective guilt. South Korea represents an elite spirit that internalized traumas forged into an unrivaled physical hard power and preserved its moral autonomy. Yet, as previously noted, tragedy domestic elite within South Korea is their inability to perceive the grandeur trapped in the micro paradigm of endless internal competition. Warring over local university ranking of short-term property values they fail to comprehend in their nation has achieved a civilizational pinnacle. And then, conclusion. And global geopolitical metrics. Germany defeated advanced automotive burdened by history, geopolitically constrained. South Korea, the sovereign, semiconductors, shipping, building, defense, morally pure is very important, born of survival. And we are you're checking, just a moment, your is 백두대간 is very important. Next time more explain. Is leprosy, the Korean high level beautiful mountain. Morality pure, born of survival, absolutely global hardware monopolist. True intelligence, the paradigm explained by an intellectual how orchestra their capital in soul's cohesion while harmonization their mind with the natural serenity of mirrors grand equilibrium of the state. One must recognize South Korea's macro triumphs were engineered by those who choose others' path building real assets rather than chasing hollow administrative statuses. Your leader is Korean language. Is very is a long history about 70 centuries, 8th century. I explained just a moment. Conclusions. Sovereignty path forward. Ultimately, South Korea stands alone the beacon industrial sovereignty that owns nothing to imperial plunger of historic aggression. This empire, intellect, and manufacturing power is constructed purely out of resilience. To the global community and the next generation of scholars, do not look the historical models of the West, which are inherently compromised by their past misdeeds and currently industrial decline. Look instead to sovereignty centers of hard power and moral clarity. Protect your subjective autonomy, anchor your material wares in unsaleable strategic assets, and allow your intellect to drive forward with unyielding, balanced momentum of finally turned vehicle, charting of course across horizon of world you have rightfully conquered. Is explained. Yes, it is Korean tradition, agriculture and lifestyle, everyday lifestyle. It explained, and is you're checking the and very important. Korean is tradition structure. For example. Example, so-called we are is Korean lifestyle, everyday agriculture and community with things, and I again this Korean abyss Baekdu. You now see Baekdu is Baekdu. Korean axis, 백두대간, Worak is Songri Mountain, and near the Sobek, Worak. Thematic focus, the philosophy of spatial integration of spiritual accumulation. Analytic insight, the contrast western ranges, the Korean 백두대간, this 백두대간, especially the Worak and Songri, especially Songri. This mountain is continuous. You are checking the Alps, very different. It's Korean beautiful mountains. It is very is lifestyle near the very lifestyle, agriculture and Buddhism, temple. All next time I will checking all temple. And Analytical insight, the contrast, the Western range, the Korean Baekdu Daegan, especially the Worak, Songni, and Sobek line, embodies a harmonious coexistence of nature history and human intellect. It is a terrain of high density and optical efficiency, while ancient humanism, 법주사. Next time I checking your video, 법주사 is very very especially beautiful. 부석사 and historical mountains portraits is seamlessly woven into the topography. Project discourse. This axis serves as the ultimate conclusion of the project is validate the emperor's paradigm, leverage obsolete efficiency of strategic geopolitical hubs. It's very very important. And you are checking the is very important. Example. We are checking Germany and Korea, South Korea. I'm explain and very very important. That is epilogue. Ephemeral nature of wealth. Lessons from the Lee Kun-hee, Samsung, and Steve Jobs, Apple. We are checking, replacing my opinion. Ultimately, the global hyper elite must confront an immutable biological reality. Human life is fundamentally finite. No amount of capital, corporate hegemony, or institutional orders can purchase an extension of time. The trajectories of Lee Kun-hee, fondator Lee Byung-chul's son, third son, but very very bright, powerful organization, company, and very very powerful. The late chairman of Samsung and Steve Jobs, the visionary Steve Jobs, all of the old men know, computer is Apple's computer. Co-founder of Apple, serves as the most prominent modern parable for the extensional truth. Infinite capital, Samsung, Apple, hegemony, finite human life, in the inevitability of mortality. Every human is mort. One time mort. The fatal blind spot, violating law of equilibrium. Most men we wield unprecedented economic and theological power, commanding fortunes world terms of billions of dollars and altering of the fabric of human civilization, yet engulfed into the relentless monomaniacal pursuit of corporate expansion and institutional perfection. They succumbed to premature mortality before they could generously decouple from their labor and enjoy the fruit of their existence. They conquered the external pyramid of global capitalism, but failed to secure the internal sanctuary of their own health and subjective tranquility. Their lives were cut short, leaving behind monumental empires but a profound cautionary tale regarding the limits of unbridled ambition. And then, the process best assessed yet remain a prisoner of endless production is profound failure of the law equilibrium. Truth wisdom is very important, modeled by the sovereignty intelligence of advanced societies lies in the strategic art of the dual majesty. One must anchor their capital securely within the premier structure zone, such as Seoul's core real estate, whilst deliberately anchoring their lived experience with the liberating rhythms of nature, philosophical contemplation like the sense of terrain near the Seoul, Paris, London, same is nature's. Digital you're checking digital archive of 800 lectures currently being synthesized is not a frantic race for survival. It is natural, joyful overflows of a sovereignty mind that controls it assets rather than being controlled by them. Let the tragic ends of the world's greatest industrial titans remind us. Wealth unmoored from equilibrium merely a gilded cage. Absolute victory belongs exclusively to the sovereign individual who remains the health, very important health, the autonomy and wisdom to drive their luxury vehicle towards the historical horizon of its culture, fully immersing themselves into the fitting, beautiful equilibrium of the well-lived life. It is very important. Yes, you're checking Korean mountains, and finally the mastery multi-dimensional perspective. The world is complex, transparent, diverse, perspective, shifting dynamics. True intelligence lies in the ability of the person through this multiplicity and perceive the underlying truth. One must recognize the premise intense power of the human spirit while understanding that machines and AI are merely supplementary tools, subsidiary instruments that they can never replace the creative spark of the human agency. It's very, very important. Yes. And your conclusion? Leading self of the right time and place. The position oneself at the right place, the right time, is an art form. It requires sense of global networking, historical balance, and courage to live as I please. This is the 0.01% accretive life where the intellect is not just a tool for survival, but a scepter for ruling on one's own universe. It's very, very important. Yes. And the liberty, panorama of liberty, the wisdom of Magpie, masters of simplicity, and the complexity of fools, and the conclusion simplicity as the ultimately luxury. It's very important. Thank you. Next time I'm explain very, very important 법주 and American and Canada, USA and Canada, Rocky Mountains is comparative. Thank you very much.